How to set a Meta AI profile picture on Facebook. This tutorial shows you how to use AI to restyle your profile photo with creative effects. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner to go to your profile. From there, tap on your profile picture again to open editing options. At this point, a pop-up menu will appear with different options. In the next step, tap on Restyle Profile Pic with AI from the menu. Following this, you'll see two tabs at the top, Styles and Ideas. Once done, under the Styles tab, you can choose from different AI art styles. From here, browse through options like 3D, comic book, anime, classical, clay, and more. At this stage, tap on any style to see a preview of how your profile picture will look. After this, switch to the Ideas tab to see Meta AI's AI-generated suggestions. Once completed, Meta AI will analyze your existing photo and suggest creative edits based on what's in the picture. Finally, for example, if your photo has a rocket, it might suggest adding stars around it or a space background. Once you've chosen your preferred style or idea, tap Apply and then Save to set it as your profile picture. And that's it. If this Meta AI profile picture guide helped you create unique profile photos, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.